Welcome to ExcelBids. This is a short tutorial that covers this new bidding platform. So here's the sign-on page. You can create an account pretty quickly. Use your company email address, create a password. It will send you an email verification which you'll click and it'll bring you to this landing page here. So this is the page for ExcelBids. Now, before I get too far ahead of myself, I really want to answer the question, why does the world need another bid sorting platform? And quite simply, yes, this is a bid sorter. That is definitely part of the functionality of this platform, but that doesn't capture what this system does. This is essentially a live line bidding platform, and we can actually and will pivot this to PBS for airlines that have PBS systems. But for now, this is awesome for a line bidding platform. What I mean by that is that when all the active pilots are using this and they bid a line, you can see the lines that are bid on and tentatively awarded through the system will show up it'll be gray. And so let's say you're 200 in a 400 line pilot base, you can see the lines that are available to you to bid on. On top of that, now this will not show you the lines that a pilot will bid, like the line that a pilot bid, but it will show you the pilots who have bid a line so you can keep track of who's bid in front of you. So that's what that box is. But that's what this is. Yes, you can sort and filter lines, but this will give you an idea of the lines that are available. So with that said, let's get into it. This is the front page. Here's the profile. This is my profile here. Sean G. Smith, Airbus First Officer LAX. I'm number 3 in base. And you can, so when you open an account, that will be a nice verification. And it has other parts of the you can take a tour here. It'll step you through all the parts of the platform, some feedback about us, and of course log out. And because yes, I am an admin, I have my admin button here so I can upload lines. So that's what that is for. We're bidding for August 2020, and that's the current bid that's been uploaded. When you do create an account, the system will recognize you as your position in the airline. So if you're a 737 Portland captain, you will only see Portland lines available to you. So these are the lines right now for LA Airbus. There's 48 lines. This is kind of the time we're in right now, unfortunately. And we can start filtering the lines. Here we go. We can filter days off. Just do full blocks of days off. Or let's say you want to have all Sundays off and you want to have these specific days off here. We're going to save it and it will come up with the lines that will meet that criteria. And you can go back. Let's say you want to change it a little bit. You can clear all the filters and it'll go back to the original line. We can sort lines here with the number of days off, which is how lines come anyway. And I'm sorry about that. And so here's top to bottom, the most days off to the least days off. But let's say, again, during normal times, you could bid credits. And here's credit, the most credit to the least credit. We'll save that. And so this will give you the lines with the most credit here down to the least credit. So that's a nice way to sort. You can also sort with report time, release time, trip length. You can go through all that stuff here. So let's go back to the filter. I'm going to just filter Saturdays and Sundays off. I'm going to save that. And then let's click on a line. This is what we've come to, and I'm going to click on a line here. And we can go to calendar view. We can see the trips that are available. We can click on that trip and then see the detail of that trip. So that's for line 36. You can click on a line. Let's say you've decided on a certain sequence. you're going to go with line 36. You can click on that, and then you can say you decide to go 14. Click on it, and it'll bring it up to your bid box, and say line 3. There we go. And say line 30. And so I'm going to click that, save it. And now, because nobody has bid in front of me, this gives me my probable award based on everybody senior to me who has bid. This will be my probable award. Yes, there's other criteria, especially if you have a do not fly or other things. But right now, based on everybody bidding in front of you, this will give you a really good idea of what your bid will be. Again, it's kind of a real-time bidding process. We can go back, change it. Let's say you're number 300 and you kind of don't care. You can go 1 through 40. There's only 40. Well, 48. We'll just do that. So now, 1 through 40, and I'm going to take out all these filters here. And sort line again through days off. Actually, I'm going to go credit. We'll go days off. And this gives me that 1 for probable award because, again, nobody's been in front of me. So pretty flexible. And what you can also do is do a, when you're there, you can do a copy, go to the company website, and you could paste it right into the bid, to the bid box for the company. Really want to be clear about something. This is a standalone platform. This is not directly connected with any airlines. This is a standalone platform where the information is uploaded and it is secure, and